Hello, this is Ifya Ankara here on Happiness Challenge Day 3. Today's challenge is to find something to laugh about. Mhm. Did you know laughter is a good medicine? Yeah, laughter is a good medicine. So, on today's challenge, on day 3 of our 40-day happiness gratitude challenge, you are to find a friend and engage in a good laughter. You might think this is silly, but it works. It works. Call someone that you don't mind being yourself with. Schedule a date. Schedule a coffee date. Schedule dinner date. And engage in a good laughter. You laugh till you cry. Laugh till you pass gas. It's okay. Let it all hang out. It's okay. Don't hold it. Don't hold it. Don't hold the gas up. If you hold it, it's gonna all internalize and it will make your hips spread. So don't hold it. Okay? Find someone and engage in a good laugh. Do you have something to even laugh about? You have a lot to laugh about. When you make today's challenge a go, you will find something to laugh about. Go into yourself. Find yourself. Talk about something silly you did. Leaving your keys right by the doorstep and forgetting about it. You can laugh about that. Spilling the coffee all over you because you didn't close the lid correctly. You can laugh about that. Leaving the meatloaf in the oven for so long that it burnt. Laugh about it. Stop taking yourself so serious. Why are you so hard on yourself? Because nobody cares. Stop being so hard about yourself. Laugh about your silly self. Laugh about your mistakes. Laugh about your imperfections. Laugh about you. Have fun with you. Have fun with you. It's okay. The pant is just a little tight. You can button it. Oh man. Laugh about that. It's okay. It's okay. The bra can't hold it. It's okay. But next time you go to the store, just grab a new set. But make it work. Make it work for that day and just go about your business. Go about your business because nobody cares. Okay? Stop taking yourself so serious. Love you and laugh about your imperfections and your craziness and your forgetfulness and everything about you. It's okay. You will never be perfect. No one is perfect. We all have our flaws, but we try to actualize the goodness in us every single day. But does that make us perfect? No. Always remember, so long as other things come out of the other side of your body, you know what I mean. And when you drink any liquid, it comes out. And when you wake up in the morning, your breath smells like you will never be perfect. And don't let anybody push you to be perfect either. If your hair is just running wild, let it run wild. Okay, just talk to it. You don't have any gel or something, just do you and just keep it moving. Laugh with someone who loves you for who you are, unapologetically, friend who loves you unapologetically, non-judgmental friend, someone you don't mind going anywhere with and being yourself with. It's okay. On day 3 of our 40 days happiness gratitude challenge, I entreat you to find something to laugh about. This is Ifyajin for Angra. See you on day 4.